Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Bailey's chocolate cupcakes. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup vegetable oil, 2 1/2 cups granulated white sugar, 5 pieces whole eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of our Bailey's, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 3/4 cup hot water, and 1 cup cocoa powder. In your bowl, mix in your dry ingredients, the flour, leavening agents, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Mix this one first. Then next is your sugar. This is good for 30 cupcakes. But if you want konti lang, divide mo to into 2 yung recipe. Okay? Marami akong papakainin, kaya dinamihan ko. Make a well at the center. Tapos, mix muna natin si cocoa powder and the hot water. Once smooth na, lagay natin siya here. Then, let's put the Bailey's. You can add more if you want, ha. So, this is the Bailey's. Ito yung gamit ko. This is an Irish cream. Then, lagay nyo si vegetable oil. So, just mix this one until smooth. Again, ha, if you find this one masyadong marami, divide the recipe into 2. I have here the cupcake liner. Since medyo liquid yung consistency, lagay natin here. Then, lagyan mo si cupcake liner 3/4 lang. Make sure ha, na walang tulo sa side. So, dahan-dahan. Let it drip bago lipat. Yan. So, bake this one around 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our cupcakes are baked already. Yan. Tinanggal ko na sa cupcake pan para lumamig. Set aside natin. And then, I have here the ingredients for the frosting. We have 100 grams of dark chocolate, 50 grams of cream, and another 1 1/2 cup whipping cream. So first, melt muna natin to, double boil, and then add natin yung konting cream. Once melted na, add na natin si cream. Set aside natin to, then whip natin yung 1 1/2 cream. Once medium stiff na siya, turn off, then lagay natin si ganache. Scrape yung ilalim ng bowl kasi minsan may hindi naaabot ng mix ng whisk. Then, pipe na natin to sa cupcake. Make sure yung cupcake is malamig na. I have here my piping bag and big star tip na close. Yan. You can use 2D or 1M na tip. It's up to you na. Okay? Then, hold your piping bag 90 degrees. Tapos, konti lang ilagay natin ha. Then, let's get the Baileys. Kasi yung gusto kong design, yung parang may nakatusok na ganun. Tapos ito, lagyan natin to ng Baileys. For adults na cupcake to guys ha. There you go, our Bailey's chocolate cupcake. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking and drinking!